Hello friends, today I will discuss about narrative writing. First of all, narrative writing is a brief summary of an adverse event experienced by a patient during a course of a treatment with a drug or a medical product. In this narrative writing, ADR which happens the patients are written in a paragraph and see what are the points we needed to consider while writing the narrative so that the first type of report so there are two main types, that is solicited types and unsolicited types. So we need to mention whether which type of report. Location of the patient when then the medical history is to be reported, and it is to be administration by the patients, and the date on which the adverse drug reactions has been happened, then what are the results from the lab testing, and then the action of drugs and concomitant drugs and product, whether if drug is discontinued, continued or other conditions, and what are the outcomes of the drugs, and what are the causal effect and causality after they happen and in the patient. So far we will example up to the narrative writing. If a patient is suffering from a lower level of glucose in blood, for he is taken a metformin tablet for its, and let's elements of narrative and narrative writing. The spontaneous report received on 1 March 2021 from an 60 years old causality male patient reporting on self from to the United States. The patient medical history included antihypertensions, and the concomitant medications included to be cetirizine. On to next day, 2022 February 2021, and the patient was started a metformin drug with 500 mg once a day orally from diabetes, and it is to be a lot number and expiration date was also unknown. On next day, 23 February 2021, and the patient experienced by some myocardial infarctions. The lab test and were also unknown. The patient has not taken any of the treatment, and the patient taken of the product and outcome of the event was also unknown, and this case was assessed by as non-serious, and the causality was reported as possible as. This is the all about narrative writing. Thank you.